Marie Curie are working alongside local businesses in Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan to support them to become dementia friendly. And when we say dementia friendly, we mean becoming more welcoming and accessible for local people using those services who may have a personal diagnosis of dementia or caring for somebody who does. And this really is part of the Alzheimer's Society Dementia Friendly Communities initiative, whereby people living with dementia and their carers can be supported to live well and to maintain their interests, their skills and their independence for as long as possible without fear or stigma. So this work is funded by the Welsh Government's Intermediate Care Fund via the Cardiff and Vale Partnership Board, and really uses Marie Curie's expertise to work alongside local businesses to enable them to become more aware and supportive of the needs of people with dementia and their carers. So really what we say to representatives of local businesses and community organisations when we're supporting them in this way is that really it's a simple but very meaningful process and it's achievable.
I've seen an amazing increase in confidence in the staff. We've all been really reassured by the dementia training that we are doing the right things, that we are a welcoming salon and we are covering our bases. But the confidence has been increased because we have a better understanding of how dementia works. Being visible is important and being ready to answer questions, making things as simple as possible. We've put loads of links on our websites for external help, not just about what we can do to help. You know, at the end of the day, people are seeking that assistance.
So it would be wonderful to hear from any local businesses in Cardiff and the Vale who are interested in becoming more welcoming and accessible for people living with dementia and their carers. And really, the process involves completing and being supported to complete a short action plan and then really signing a pledge as a way of committing to carrying out the actions that the business has chosen. Following that, the business will be presented with their dementia friendly certificate and also a pledge sticker which they can display in the window of their premises, just showing people that they are committed to supporting local people with dementia. And people with dementia have told us they actually gain reassurance by seeing the pledge stickers in the windows because they feel that they can go somewhere, visit a local business and know that their needs will be understood and they will be supported in the way that they need.